Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing the collector's pieces of Louis Vuitton. If you are a LV collector, take note of these bags. Make it your cheat sheet guys because some of these bags may still be orderable, some you may need to hunt on the pre-love market. We will start from the last to the latest of the collection. Happy shopping everyone! So first we have the Dolphin bag, priced at 4,400 euro. Or 5,500 USD. We have the SKU here from the men's pre-fall 2025 collection. Material is monogram canvas as we could see here with cowhide leather trim. So this is how the zipper looks like. Then of course it comes with the vachetta or leather detachable crossbody strap. Then we have the Life Buoy bag or Lifesaver bag. Price is a little bit more expensive at 8,000 euro or 9,850 USD. So still from the men's pre-fall 2025 collection, materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is the close-up view on how you are going to open and store our belongings. So it has 3 compartments if I'm not mistaken. Then this one of my top favorite from the men's fall 2025 collection, we have the Lobster bag. Price at 5,000 euro or 7,450 USD. So the main material of course is monogram canvas. Then it comes with the vachetta or cowhide leather trims with detachable top handle and crossbody strap. Then another unique piece, if I have the money, then definitely this is a big yes for me, from the men's or women's fall winter 2025 Paris Fashion Week. So we have the Lantern bag, priced at 5,200 euro or 6,450 USD. So this is a close-up view. As you can see, it comes with a leather top handle and leather crossbody strap. So it would come in the classic calfskin leather as well in the colorway noir. So the Lantern bag this time is a little bit more expensive, priced at 22,000 euro or 24,000 USD. So as mentioned earlier, still from the women's fall winter 2025 runway show. So it just comes in the cowhide leather as we can see here. Then this one was carried by Jaden Smith from the latest Paris Fashion Week of LV. We have the Mal Maison de Famille, priced at 44,000 USD. So this is not a bag, but this is more of a handle trunk as we could see here. So very detailed handle trunk. It kind of looks like a dollhouse, but of course if you are very experimental, you could carry this one as a top handle trunk. Then if you are a big fan of Vivienne, then check out these 2 bags. First we have the Vivienne backpack exotic, priced at 18,400 USD. So I believe the reason why this is a little bit more exotic, so we could see that they're using the mink fur. And then of course one of the eye of Vivienne, I think if I'm not mistaken, is a croc leather. Then the Vivienne backpack, more affordable, price at 3,300 euro or 4,200 USD. So the base part is made of Louis Vuitton monogram denim as we could see here. Then it comes with the zipper for closure at the back as well. Then it would come with leather detachable straps. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramirafy. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, another beautiful and rare piece Fox pack. So hopefully guys you got this when it was launched. Price at 5,000 euro or 6,300 USD. We have the SKU here. So this is how it looks like when you're going to carry. This is the back part with the zipper. I love that it comes with leather top handle, so you could carry this one definitely for parties and special Louis Vuitton events. Then another dog bag. So we have the Beagle bag, priced at 4,500 euro or 5,800 USD. So the main material would be classic monogram canvas, and it has also a reverse monogram coated canvas, calfskin leather in white. Then the top handle is made of pre-treated vachetta leather with detachable crossbody strap. So next on the collection, so this one I have to definitely put in. We have the Capucines Mini from the RT Capucines X Murakami collection. There are actually many very unique pieces, but I'm choosing this one. So price at 25,000 euro or 31,000 USD. So classic Capucines with the octopus Murakami design wrapped into the bag. Then we have another dog bag. This one is the double XL, priced at 18,500 USD. So it's a little bit big, maybe compared to a Keepa 45 or 50. Main material is the classic monogram canvas with a leather strap. As we could see here, it comes with bag tag as well. Super cute, but hopefully they would make it a little bit smaller. Then another unique piece, definitely you need to get this one. We have the Rickshaw mini handbag, price at 7,550 USD. So this is like a speedy, but it was, converted into a mini rickshaw handbag, which is so cute, made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Love, love, love the detail of this handbag. I've seen this one in person, and when I have visited our LV store. We have the popcorn toiletry bag, price at 1,390 USD from the men's spring summer 2025 collection. Material is the dame check pattern on calfskin leather. This is like a popcorn bag, toiletry bag, as we could see here. Then guys, super beautiful watering can bag, 3,800 euro or 4,800 USD. So as you can see, it's an exact replica of water can bag made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is the size comparison with a model, super cute. Carry it as a top handle or even as a crossbody bag. Then my personal favorite among the most unique Louis Vuitton bags or pieces, we have the Rocket Shuttle wearable wallet, price at 8,200 USD. This was launched during the men's spring summer 2026 runway show. So the main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with detachable leather strap. Happy shopping! Then, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!